Whether you're locating leaks or working with timber, here's a couple of handy moisture measuring devices from FLIR. This is the FLIR MR55. It's a pin-based moisture measure. Now it's got 11 built-in test material groups. Before you use it, you select the right group to correspond with what you're probing, whether that be timber, plasterboard, brickwork, concrete, you name it. And once you've selected the correct group, it really is as simple as pointing it onto the test material. And it automatically measures ambient temperature and relative humidity, giving you great accuracy in your test result. It includes a built-in flashlight you can toggle on and off beneath the probes, and it's also got a backlit LED display. You can also toggle that on and off. That's great for working in dark environments. You press that hold button to keep the results on screen if you're probing in a difficult location. It's also got wireless connectivity, so you can save your results and report later. Now those pins can damage a finished surface like a plasterboard wall, so if you want a pinless solution, the MR60 Pro's got you covered. And this unit's got a pinless sensor on the rear, but it also comes with a pin sensor you can use externally. And that just gives you the flexibility to take destructive or non-destructive measurements. And if you're using it without external pins, it's much like using the MR55 we talked about first. You just set the material group and probe away. But if you're using it pinless, you just set that sensor against your material and it gives you an instant accurate moisture reading. So an interesting feature here is you can set a reference point and then compare the two materials. So you go into the settings, go to reference point, set the reference point on the material that it's on right now, move it over to the damper side, and it shows you the difference between the two materials. And with this unit, you can save up to 10,000 readings for recall and reporting later. And it also has that nice, big, bright, easy to read display. Now the MR55 is powered by 2 AA batteries and comes with a handy little carry pouch, while the MR60 Pro has an onboard battery and is charged by USB, so you can charge it between jobs just on the lighter in your car. Really handy tools. They're both available now at your local Sydney Tools store. And check out the whole FLIR range over at sydneytools.com.au. You can get the specs and order these as well. If you've got any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.